Hamad. Today I'm presenting my project called Merge Service Coordinating Platform. This system is built using Java Spring Boot and help coordinating merges response operation by merging state dispatcher unit and control access through different users. Let me walk through for the full system. This is a login page. Title Secure Access. On the right side, you can see the taglines. Press this command every critical second with 3 system statistic 24/7 uptime less than 2 second response time and 256-bit encryption. To create a new account, I click create new account button at the bottom, then registration page open. It is titled join the network. I have 3 fields to fill. I have a field to fill right now. If I fill my detail, notice that warning message on screen. It says your account is require email verification and admin approval to access in granted. This means 2 steps must happen before I create account. I create request access. I click request access, then system save my registration and immediate send the OTP on time password OTP to my email. I open my email box. Here is the email from the Merge Service Coordinating Platform with the subject email verification code. I can see the 6-digit OTP code inside this email. I return to the browser, type 6-digit code and submit it. My email is now verified. However, I still cannot log in. I must wait for admin to approve my account first. This is the secure features. I prove authentication people for the access the system. Now let me log in as administrator. Enter email address and password, then click the gold authentication button. Three the back and check 3 things. In database, my email verified that my account status is active and my password is correct. If all 3 match, GWT secure token is ensured and talk to the dashboard. This is the command center dashboard for the administrator. At the top, I have 3 live statistic card. The first show active incident. These are emergencies that are currently open or assigned. The second show available unit response unit ready to be dispatched. The third show unit dispatcher unit current on the assignment. All 3 members comes directly from the database in real time. Below the statistic, I have a recent incident table. Each row show incident ID, title, and description, the location, the status badge, and the date. At time I was created the status badge and color code. Red means open, gold means assigned, and green means resolved. On the left side, I have 5 navigation options: dashboard, instance, resource, assignment, and manage users. The manage users option is only visible to the administrator. Dispatcher cannot see it. In the top bar, I have a 5 action button. The bell icon shows notification. The sign SYNC button refresh the data. The dispatcher unit button open dispatcher form. The add unit button register a new emergency unit, and gold new emergency button create new incident. I click new emergency. Form open, I enter title of the emergency, description, the more detailed location and the priority level, which can high, medium or low. I submit form. The system insert new record into the incident table in the database which status sent to open. You can see immediately appear in the reset incident table on the database. Now I will dispatch a unit to this incident. I click dispatcher unity. Form opened with 2 drop down. The first drop down show only active incident. The second drop down show only available incident. Unit that are not already assigned. I select the incident and the unit, then confirm the dispatcher. The system performs 3 database operations at the same time. It inserts new record in the assignment table. It updates unit status in the resource table to dispatcher, and it updated the incident status in the incident table to assign it. The dashboard status update immediately available unit decreased by 1 and unit dispatcher increased by 1. I can also add the new images unit to the system. I click add unit. I enter unit name, for example, Ambras 4, and select unit type such as Ambras, fire engine, or police. The unit status is automatically sent available. When submit, new road it added to the resource table, and then the available unit count on the dashboard increase. I increase manager user in the sidebar. This page lists all registered user account in the system. I can see username, email, role, where the email is verified, and then current status, which can be pending, active, or inactive. When a new user register, they appear here with a pending status. In admin, I click approval to activate the account. This changes their status and active in the user table, and they cannot log in. I can also change user role, deactivate account temporarily, or delete permanent. I now log out by click the logout icon at the bottom left of the side next to the name. This clear my secure token and return to the login page. Now I log in as dispatcher operator. I enter dispatcher email and password and click authenticate. The dashboard road notice different at the bottom left showing dispatcher operator's role, and the sidebar the manage user option is gone. Dispatcher cannot manage account. The bell notification icon is the top button is also not available. The dispatcher has limited but focused set tool for the job. The dispatcher can view the dashboard and monitor all activity incident. They can go to the incident and see all emergency record. They can go to the resource and see all unit and their availability status. But they cannot add, modify unit. They can go to the assignment and track all dispatcher history, and they can still use dispatcher unit button to send the available unit to the active incident. Everything else is restricted. The component, the full demonstrators of emergency service coordinating platform. To the summary, the system provides secure, role-based access for administrator and dispatcher operator to handle the full emergency life cycle for incident creation to the unit dispatcher to resolve which every action track in the database. The four core database table are user, incident, resource, and assignment. The system enforces email OTP verification and admin approval for every new account. Ensure only authenticated person can access the command set. Thank you very much.